In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit money into your Wise account. Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, is a fantastic service for transferring money internationally, offering low fees and competitive exchange rates. If you're ready to add funds to your account effortlessly, let's dive right in. First, start by heading over to the Wise homepage. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the address bar, wise.com. Once there, you'll need to ensure you're logged into your account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your login details to access your account dashboard. Once you're on the homepage and logged in, you'll see various options and buttons along the interface. Look for the option labeled Add Money. It should be prominently displayed, usually around the top section of the screen. Clicking this button initiates the process for depositing funds into your account. Next, you'll be prompted to type in the amount you wish to deposit. Carefully enter the desired amount. This step is quite straightforward, but take a moment to verify that you've entered the correct figure. You wouldn't want to deposit more than intended. Upon entering the amount, the next field you'll need to pay attention to is the Paying With option. Clicking this will display the list of available payment methods. Here, you'll be able to choose how you'd like to make your deposit. Wise typically offers several payment methods such as bank transfer, debit card, or credit card. Select the payment method that suits you best and proceed. After you've selected your payment method, you'll find a Continue button. Press it to progress further. Wise will guide you through the subsequent steps tailored to your payment choice. So, if you opted for bank transfer, for instance, you might need to follow additional instructions to complete the transaction through your bank. You will now come across another Continue button. Click it to advance. This action helps confirm the payment and lets Wise know you're serious about depositing funds. Following this, Wise will give you two options. If you've completed your transfer, click I've made my transfer. This notifies Wise that the funds are on their way. However, if you're not ready or need to organize the transfer later, select I'll transfer later. This gives you the flexibility to complete the transaction at your convenience. And there you have it, a simple guide to depositing money into your Wise account. By following these steps, you ensure your funds are added swiftly and efficiently, ready to be used for your next transaction. If you have questions or encounter any hiccups, Wise Support is always there to help. Thank you for taking the time to learn this process with us today. Happy transferring!